Welcome back to the Proudy channel, guys. This is my 2024 Honda CBR600RR. Today, I'm going to take these ugly turn signals. I'm going to put some nice flush ones on. I got these nice flush turn signals from Motodynamic. So I'll put the link below. Go check them out. And it's going to be great quality. I got a lot of their parts on my bike too. So shout out to them. Go check out their website. They got a bunch of parts for a bunch of different manufacturers. So first thing you're going to need to do is remove these Allen key bolts to release this panel right here. That way we get some access to our lights. Alright guys, there's two little Phillips push pins. You just got to unscrew them. They're right underneath here. You want to make sure you take these off. That way it's easy removal when you take out your Allen head bolts up here that are holding on to this plastic. So let's remove those. Oh, that makes me nervous. Makes me nervous doing this. We got our whole side fairing right here, and we have our connector. You need to pull up on that tab, and should be able to pull right out. So we have the back of our fairing right here, and we have a bolt that we need to take off, and there's like a washer piece right here that you fish your wire through. So you just want to go ahead and remove that, and then that should be able to let you just yank out your whole turn signals. All right, we're good. So you have a housing, like a rubber housing that your turn signal sits in. You need to just push this metal piece out through this housing this way through your bike, and you'll be able to pop this out. All right guys, once you got that rubber housing all out through there, you'll take your new flush turn signal, and it should be, as it's in the name, just a nice flush fit. Turn it around. This washer that they sent you, you're going to want to fish right through, and you're going to want to just tighten it all down. Turn it around, boom. Nice flush turn signal. Let's go ahead and get it back on the bike. Let's go ahead and plug it in real quick. Take your end that has the notch on it. Find the top buckle piece part. While we got it real quick, it's already lighting up. Make sure she works. Boom. Heck yeah, guys. All right, let's go ahead and put this puppy back together. All right, make sure everything snaps right back in. All your stuff snaps into place before you start tightening everything down. What I'm going to do first is put in my Allen head push pins. So you got two up here by your throttle, and then you got another two down here by your fork. So let's get that knocked out. Make sure you put your bolts back where they're supposed to. There's actually one longer one than all the other ones. So the longest bolt goes right here on the end, and then I'm pretty sure the rest are all the same size. All right guys, we got on our flush turn signals by Motodynamics. I'll make sure I have the link in the description below, and their website too. You're gonna go ahead and repeat to the other side, and then yeah, it's really real simple. Nice, easy installation. Repeat to the other side, and let's see what the final product is. Alright guys, we got the turn signals all on both sides. They look a million times better. Let's hit the turn signals.
Up close, they look pretty sick. So, see some more videos like that, hit that like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys next time.